Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. And look at this, right? So a big sell-off on Bitcoin, but guys, keep one thing in mind, right? Bitcoin's traded among a lot of exchanges, so we need to go through a lot of them, okay? Let me just get rid of all these lines, etc. Because, well, you know, this happened, guys. All right, a big drop off. 4 hours very oversold. What, we're at 7 here. 6 hour went to 11, 8 hour went to 11 as well, 10 hour went to 8, 12 hour went to 10, and the daily is at 18. All right, so just overall, guys, very oversold. Okay, this is the BitMEX chart here. On BitMEX, this is a lower low, okay? But I want you guys to keep that in mind, because now we're going to Bitfinex, and this is not a lower low, okay? So it all depends on what chart are you looking at, all right? This here would simply mean that you finally, well, I don't talk much about this, but I do in some videos, right? So we have a gap here, so it might, you know, it could mean that this is finally filled, and it's not the only chart that's there on. It's also, let me also take a look at Bitstamp. Bitstamp's also a lower low. So on the US dollar charts, it's a lower low, but on the Tether charts, it's a gap fill. So, you know, we honestly don't know yet what happens after this. However, keep in mind, guys, that this daily candle is very bearish, but also keep in mind that we are very oversold. So do we at least expect a bounce? Well, you should never expect a bounce, right? But this could definitely be a scare. So I wouldn't say immediately like sell it all and like, you know, get out, and so especially not, right? So, but you do need to keep in mind that this is pretty scary territory where we are right now, right? It's just it just is what it is, right? So yeah, this is basically where we're at right now, guys. I mean, if this drops lower than this on the Tether pair, then we're in big trouble, okay? Because the Tether might pump it up. Who knows, right? Who knows? We all don't know. I'm not going to draw anything today because there's simply nothing to draw, right? We simply fell. Yeah, we simply fell, right, guys? It could have pumped up, and it fell, and the upside is way bigger than the downside. So I don't know why they letting it fall right now. They're hardly making money by going lower. You know, if we go lower, let's say we go lower, right? On the Binance, we go to 5,300. Okay, that's our next point right here. You don't just fall through here, definitely not. There was a strong bounce there. So, and if we take the BitMEX chart here, the same thing here. So 5,400. Okay, so we cannot. Basically, what I'm trying to say here is the downside is not very good here. Okay, so yeah, whoever shorted here, grants, you know, you made some good profits here, but that is pure luck, and I'm going to call it pure luck, all right? Because your downside was obviously way lower than the upside was, right? So keep that in mind, right, guys? Just keep that in mind. If I know a lot of people got liquidated today, I got messages all over the place saying I'm liquidated, I lost it all. Well, guess what? You didn't have a stop loss, right? That's all I can say. You know, trading without a stop loss, guys, is very risky. And it happens, right? You can lose it all. You go through ups, you go through downs, and you know, it's very unfortunate to say, but you know, if you lost it all, you lost it all, right? And I keep getting messages of people that just lost it all today on this drop. And you know, that's just what happens, right? There's massive panic going on right now, massive panic, but we have to keep in mind that the volume here isn't super high on the drop, right? I know the daily day hasn't finished yet, but if you look at these volumes, they were way higher, okay, overall. So I know compared to like all the volume here, this is a big drop. It could definitely continue, so keep that in mind. But guys, always use a stop loss, okay? If you're still holding Bitcoins, fine, right? I'm holding Bitcoin as well. No problem at all. You know, if I need to get out, I will get out and go into Tether. But for now, you know, it could be a big scare. So, yeah, am I losing on that then? Yeah, sure. Am I gonna lose it all? No way, right? So that is pretty much what I have for you guys. There's just, you know, I cannot throw a count on this at all. Like, there is no counting, right? This is all like, this is not technical one bit. This is not technical one bit, guys. Just one big consolidation and a big drop. That's all there is. You know, we cannot go do any wave counting whatsoever here. You know, it looked good here because we had higher lows, higher highs, but then, you know, this happened. So, you know, just keep that in mind, guys. And I hope you guys are not all liquidated. I hope you guys are doing fine. I definitely don't want to hear sad faces, alright? So, that's the last thing I want to hear, guys. So, yeah. I do have a Patreon page, guys, which is patreon.com/Pygoz if you want to become a patron. And, you know, just check out the tiers and check what tier fits you, right? So, yeah, moving on. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies blog where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? Let's see what's going on here. So we got this was the expiration date of the CBOE futures, alright? November the 14th. And this would happen. So, yeah, would this be due to this? Yeah, it could. It could be them loading up, you know, a quick dump and then loading up. Yeah, it could be. So, you know, that's kind of what's going on there. Yeah. Let's see what is this. This is a good one to look at. There's some nice formations here. Butterflies, bats, godlies. Yep, definitely one to look at. So yeah, look at that, guys. That's also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies feed where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs, but at the moment don't expect any ICOs from me because both Ethereum and NEO is still very low priced. And at the moment, guys, with this drop, I don't think your ICO will do very well. I think your ICO will do doo-doo. Alright, so definitely don't get into ICOs at the moment, guys. I'm not even gonna say the other things, alright? Because just don't get in, okay? For now, just don't get in any ICOs, alright? But guys, I also have a Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and I also have Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.